Pretty gang, hello. Great morning. You guys, it's about time. I had to retire the box braids. So today would be a video, not a wash and go, but I guess just like a twist out video. I think that's what I'm gonna do. My hair needs some TLC, you guys. So why not give it some TLC? So, you guys, these are definitely the blonde box braids that I had in the previous video. We are taking them down. So yes, what I did was I cut them all about shoulder length, so I can save time and effort and labor, whatever. So yeah, I cut them, but the girl that braids my hair, she tucks my hair when she braids. Hallelujah. So that means you can flip it, the braid, and you will see my real hair, which is the darker color. So I see that my hair ends here, so I cut it here. Same with the other braids. This one, flip it, my hair in, this is like a front piece, so it looks like it ends. The last strand of dark hair is here. Well, I did that all the way across the board. Some places I got lucky, some places I didn't, you guys. That's just a pro and con of taking box braids down. Stay tuned with this natural hair process, which I adore. Yeah.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open here.
All right, you guys. Now that the box braids are down, it's time to fight this shit. I'm just kidding, y'all. I'll be using this product. This is a detangler. This comb. And the Lord himself. All right, gang. Prior to putting this on my hair, I did wet it with some water with my water diffuser that I got on Amazon. Yeah. So dampening it with water makes it a little bit more manageable before I put the product on there. So I massage this detangler through my hair evenly, all the way through. As you can see, I have my comb now. I'm starting the detangle process. And ladies, you have to be careful because your hair is very vulnerable while it's in this state. So try not to pull and tug aggressively because you can pull and tear your hair out. So yeah, I have started the process. So stay tuned. Pretty gang. So once I detangled all of my hair, I am now washing it. I do not use shampoo. I am using that root rinse from Cantu. It is less aggressive on your hair and it does not strip your hair as bad as shampoo does. So I just decided to cut shampooing out of my regimen altogether and just go with a co-wash or either a apple cider vinegar root rinse. You guys should check it out. I really do like it. I've been using it and so far so good. So now I am using my shampoo brush, making for sure I got the product all up through my hair. I am detangling it at the same time, making for sure my root is clean. So yeah, just stay tuned while I wash my hair.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging who's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
All right, you guys, with my dime size amount, I have applied my conditioner. Now I am making for sure that the product is spread evenly across my head. I have my shampoo brush. I am also detangling, making parts, brushing it all the way through. This part is very essential, you guys. This part right here is what my hair needed the most, some good TLC. This definitely helps the styling process when you're getting ready to style your hair. The fact that your hair has been deep conditioned and thoroughly washed, that does play a good part. So like I said, I've also had box braids, so I am trying to make for sure that everything is clean. Just give my hair some TLC. So watch while I break my hair down, y'all. This is a good wash. Really, really good wash. All right, after I let the conditioner sit about 5 minutes, I washed it out, you guys. So I have this little turban that I use once I wash my hair. It works a lot better than a towel. So I really, really do like it. I have a blue one and then I have a yellow one. So yeah, now I'm done. Watch the next step. So I have washed my hair. You guys, look at this. This is why I use what I use. I love this. I love my hair. It feels amazing. Oh my god.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. O-P-N. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you O-P-N, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O-P-N. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Feels like it's about 10 something, so I done washed my hair, deep conditioned it, and twisted it out. So tomorrow you guys will see the finish. All right, pretty gang, I just took my scarf off, so I'm just gonna take out the perm rods. My hair is still a little damp, so you know what that means. Probably not gonna come out. So what I'm gonna do is, since I twisted this so fire, I am just gonna put like a little headband on and call it a day. And then tomorrow morning I'm gonna take it down because y'all, this is, I did it really neat. So this can be a hairstyle for today. I'm gonna finesse for one day. Pretty good. You guys, I am back. So despise Rona that's out there, I am gonna take my twist out down. So yeah, let's get into it.
Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
First day of my twist out, I like to untwist it at least halfway. This is more of like day one hairstyle preservation, right? So then tomorrow, if it still looks cute like this, I'm gonna rock it. If not, I'm gonna take the whole thing down and just wear it, you know, style and let it go on my face. Really the first hairstyle that I do every time when I do a twist out, I do it halfway. Because you want your twist out to last as long as possible. In my opinion, you want your twist out to last as long as possible. I try to give it at least about 4 days. So this is like day 1. Day 2 is like a full head. Day 3 is probably like a half up, half down. And then day 4 is like a high bun. And day 5, we gotta wash it out. You see what I'm saying? So choose your hairstyles the best way, in my opinion, when you want it to last a little bit longer. So this is my day 1. Yeah, you guys, this is the twist out. So like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think. I think the twist out came out really, really good. You guys, the apple cider vinegar works wonderful. As you can see, my curls is just so pretty. The tree oil definitely comes into play. I love that product. So yeah, very happy. My scalp feel really good. I missed it. Those box braids, whew, was hard on your girl, but I miss my locks. So until next time, bye gang.